Okay, today we work on this Ford Focus. The issue here is have some coolant leakage from somewhere. I'm suspecting to be from the thermostat plastic hose because I see previously some old leakage here. So let's see. Here is have some oil, which is normal. Let's see the job begin. Round 2. Look how much parts you have to remove. You can have access to the thermostat, and how I suspect the thermostat is leaking. The plastic hose, you see this pinky stuff there? This is indication one of the leakage coming from here. So we continue now for reassembly. Let's see. Okay, done. On. It's nearly 15 minutes work now. Still no leakage around, so I hope this one will help. Antifreeze is on. So let's see how many degrees it shows inside. It's on the middle, the arrow. So on the moment everything okay. Need driving now, and maybe we need little bit top up after short drive or all day drive. Just check this one, the level have to be exactly here. If you need top up with this. Fortunately the water pump also need changing, it's leaking from there too. So that's the second weak point. It will need new water pump.